Hello beauties, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I'm J Marie. If you're new here, in today's video I am featuring ilikehairwig.com. They sent over their 7x5 kinky edge closure wig in 22 inches. We have our transparent lace along with a comb at the crown, and we have the two combs at the ear tab, one in the back along with some more lace at the nape with adjustable straps, and we have our thick elastic band. Now this kinky curly unit is very unique because of its realistic kinky edges. ilikehairwig.com always come through with the extra goodies, so make sure you check the description box down below. I will have this unit link, and you can receive 25% off when you use the code JMarie25. I did go ahead and bleach the knots, deep condition the hair, and allow the cap to dry overnight. Now this is a glueless wig, and it was made in mind for the girls who do not like to be fooling with the glue and try to melt down your lace or having to do the dramatic swoop baby hairs. This unit features a perfect natural hairline with realistic kinky edges. The kinky texture hairline gives you that natural, effortless look. Look at how natural this hairline is. Having those two different textures really make this unit look very realistic. I mean, look at that. Those edges look like my edges, girl. I am really loving this concept of this unit. Now, my only con with this is that I feel like it's too much lace. Now, ideally, I would have cut all of the baby hairs off because I have a small frame face. And that's one of the reasons why the lace is not laying down as seamless as it could. But overall, I love the texture of the edges, but I would have liked the option of having a custom sizing of the hairline. Now to style, I'm just spraying it down with some water in my spray bottle. Always blown away at how smooth and tangle free this hair is. Applying some Eco Styler gel to the hairline and smoothing it out with an edge brush. Now I'm mad at myself because I didn't use a hack that I seen where you cut a V right where extra lace is at the end of the middle part, which I end up doing the next day, and it really helped that lace to lay down more seamlessly. Next, I'm following up with the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum. Now this works great at taming the frizz, and it also prevents that hard cast from the gel, which I'm going to apply some next on the hair, focusing it mainly on the ends. I'm using my Tangle Teaser to brush through the curls. Now this is a must-have because it just clumps up those curls so nice, and it really maximizes the definition. I just love the quality of their hair. Look at these curls, they are gorgeous. Next, I'm going in with some translucent powder to blend in the lace. Then I allowed the hair to dry for 30 minutes. And this is the completed look, guys. Beautiful fluffy curls with a realistic natural hairline. Now this look like this can be my hair girl. I am in love. Don't forget to check the description box down below. I will have all products listed. Like this video and also comment down below. Let me know if you are a girl who enjoys the curls or do you prefer straight hair. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.